Hi everyone, today's recipe is pumpkin recipe. It is super yummy, you can try it. And for this I got 2 lb of pumpkin, peeled and small cubed. Here I got 2 small potatoes, that is also peeled and small cubed. And I got Malabar spinach stem and leaves, it goes well with it. But this is optional, you can have it or not. Now it's hit the pan and add all the vegetable into the pan. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 bay leaf. Add half an inch of ginger crushed. And give a mix. You can add little water here. Now turn on the lid. Now after 2 minutes you can add that leaves, the Malabar spinach leaves, and mix it. Cover the lid. Wait for add now you can check whether it is cooked or not. Now it's time to add half a cup of water into it. So after 2 minutes it's already cooked. Now it's time to add 2 tablespoons of jaggery into it. Mix it. Mix it and wait for 1 more minute. Now it's transferred to different dish. On that same pan we will give the tempering. Heat the pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's heat the oil. Add 2 dry chilies. Let it cook. Add panch phoran into it. Add 2 green chilies slitted. Cook it. Now it's time to add the onion. Let it cook for few minutes. You can add little salt so that it will help to cook faster. It's already been, the onion already turned red. Now it's time to add the vegetables. Put the lid on. Wait for 1 minute. Now mix it. You can break some of the veggies so the gravy will be tastier. Let it cook few more minutes. You can see it's ready to serve. Now you can serve it with rice and rotis. Hope you like my recipe. If you like it, please thumbs up. Thank you.